kids! Are you ready to play a fun guessing game? Let's guess the animal together! Can you guess this animal? Elephant. Elephant. Let's try the next one. Can you guess this animal? Leon. Leon. Can you guess this animal? It barks. Woof, woof, woof. D-O-G. Dog. Can you guess this animal? It says meow meow. C-A-T. Cat. Can you guess this animal? This animal gives us milk. C-O-W. Chow. Can you guess this animal? It says quack, quack, quack. D-oo. Ook. D-U-C-K. Can you guess this animal? It says ba-ba. Su-pee-pee. Sheep. Can you guess this animal? It is strong and says roar. T. Tiger. Tiger. Great job! You guessed all the animated animals. See you next time!